Today I'm talking about my daily activities. I wake up at 5 a.m. because I start my day early. Then I get up from bed and go to washroom. Then I wash my face with cold waters because it feels me active. Then I brush my teeth and take wuzu. After that, I came out from the washroom and I go to the mosque for Fajr prayer. After that, the masjid was situated near my house. After that, I came back my home and start my exercise. Then I take a shower in the bathroom and change my dresses and go to dining table for my breakfast at 7:30 a.m. Then I go to my university because the classes are start at 8:30 a.m. I sit on the first bench and then the teacher start their lesson. I take some notes. Then the end of the lecture, I talk my friends. I love to speak with them. And then I go to mosque for Zohar prayer and come back home. Then I take lunch and go to bed for rest. After that, I go to playground at 4:30 a.m. 4:30 p.m. and pray Asr prayer. Then we start playing with my friends. In the Maghrib Azan time, we stop playing and go to the mosque for Maghrib prayer. Then I come back home and eat snacks. Then I go to my reading table and start my daily activities. Uh, After that, I take my dinner at 10:30 a.m. Watching natoks, and I use my phone for 30 minutes. Then I go to my bed at 12 a.m. Because I was very tired. I need to sleep.